Hey everyone, George and Patrick, co-founders here at PatientPartner. And as PatientPartner has continued to grow and expand, we've had countless amounts of patients coming to us in need of a patient partner in surgery lines that we have yet to expand into. And what we've realized is that what we are doing and patient partners are needed across every single type of surgery, every single different type of treatment or condition in all of healthcare.
And we've had several patients come to us needing a patient partner in joint replacement. Looking into this procedure, so many patients go into this rather blindly. And a patient partner is one of the best resources you can have in the preoperative setting. And so we as a company are branching into joint replacement and are going to help out the millions of patients each year who are going through one of these procedures by connecting them with somebody who has been there before and can hold their hand throughout this entire process. So we as a company are incredibly excited to branch out and continue this growth of patient partner in all different surgery lines, realizing that every walk of healthcare needs a patient partner there to help.